stand corrected. I said a while ago that maybe the reason why there are few people coming in here, the name is Shrimp Shack. I was telling you that maybe the food is not delicious. So the food is not delicious. Actually, I stand corrected. It's delicious. It's certain crunchiness. There's crunchiness. There's moist in the shrimp. The combination of the taste of shrimp with garlic. I think that shrimp cooked with garlic and butter. You taste the butter. So I think that's perfect. Perfect. If you mix it with lemon, perfect. Saltiness is just the saltiness is just it's balanced taste. It's really not that salty, but not salty. This other one, shrimp. This other one is I'm sure about tempura or something. Crunchy. And then the sauce is this mayo sauce. Sauce with mayonnaise. It's perfect. Soury taste. Tastes good. Something about the rice. Rice is special. I'm not sure if this is fried rice, but plain rice, but then there's garlic toppings on top. So if you mix the rice with the garlic, it becomes very delicious. It's like it's blending with the taste of the shrimp. Consistency of taste, shrimps, the rice, shrimp with butter, and the garlic with the sauce is perfect. So the sauce with mayonnaise or something, it balances the taste. Without the sauce, usually in any cuisine like this, there has to be sauce. Without sauce, you wouldn't be able to enjoy the complete taste of the menu. I think they should serve more lemon. Like lemon will give a bit of acidity. That acidic taste will give you more appetite. You know that feeling when there's less acidity? It's like the feeling of not wanting to eat anymore because you're full. If you put more lemon, the acidity would somehow give you more cravings for the shrimp. Let me eat. It's too late. Bye.